So, these are garden tools. About 2 pieces of top adapter and 1 piece big hose connector hardened. So top adapter is 1/2 by 3 port. Let's see. Item number 633013. So you put either 1/2 or 3 port in the water hose connector. Made in China. Let's open it. So this is the adapter for 1/2 and this is for the 3 ports. How about the 3 ports? Other one. Yeah, 1/2 and for the 3 ports. Okay, very good. And the water hose connector, 1/2 water hose connector. So yeah, 633051, item number made in China. Open it. You can remove this. That's where you put the hose. Put it back. This is all. That's where you put this. That's something like snap. And then you need to remove it. Push. Pull this. Let's go. Okay, thanks.